Hi, Tim Biggam for Delta Derivatives, Option Hedges and Edges. First of all, to have a happy and safe 4th to everyone out there. And we're looking at a market that certainly is feeling very happy and safe, as almost every index is at all-time or near all-time highs here. And the VIX, measure of kind of that fear index as it's referred to, printed below 14 for the first time in a long time. And the VXX, which is even shorter term implied volatility, at historic lows here since they reconstituted it over a year ago. So I'm jumping in and taking a guardedly bullish approach, getting long some vol here, just thinking the market is really pricing for perfection almost everything, whether it's the tariffs, certainly valuations are stretched, S&P 500 over 2 times price to sales, so the richest valuation basically ever on the S&P 500 from price to sales standpoint. So I'm going out to August, buying the slightly out of the money August 25 calls on the VXX, hedging by selling some July 28 calls, paying about $1.40 for that, have some more weeklies to sell in front of that, and really just looking for the VXX, which is trading right around that 2450 level, for VIX and implied volatility to have a bad hair day on the stock market and a spike in implied volatility. We shall see, but it's never been cheaper to take a long vol position on the VXX. Taking a look at a couple stocks out there with big option volume. One is RUN, Sunrun, a solar panel distributor and installer. Saw a huge volume yesterday in the January call option. So implied vol moving from about 47 to almost 56. So I jumped in, sold both sides of the market in a neutral fashion. Stock right around the 1980 level. So I sold the 21 straddle, picked up about 680 on that. Stock was basically at the same price a week ago, and that same straddle is trading about $1 lower. So that big call buyer juicing up these options here. So taking advantage of that as well. And then looking at McDonald's, where valuation's getting stretched again, so I'm going out and buying next month's at the money puts, the 205 put, selling this month's at the money puts, 205 puts. Simple calendar spread trade, just looking for McDonald's, which last I looked was trading right around that 206 and change level, to again pull back slightly. We have valuations, PE at 28, last time it was at 28, we had a significant pullback, so looking for the same on that. Vol dirt cheap, only at the 11th percentile. So we'll see what happens with the market. We have the jobs report Friday, which could be a market mover, has in the past, because volume will certainly be light. So to all, again, have a safe and happy 4th, and here's a good trading. Take care.